Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'll be making homemade bread with a little twist, of course. And yeah, so let's get started. This bread was so delicious and moist. So to my KitchenAid mixer, I'm gonna add my flour, salt, and seasoning. This is like a pizza type seasoning right here, this right here, because we are gonna add cheese to this bread recipe. Next, to a bowl of warm water about 110 degrees, you're going to add some sugar, get that nice and dissolved. You want to keep mixing it, and then you want to add your yeast. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. Once your yeast bloom, you want to add it to your flour mixture and allow that to mix for about 7 minutes. As that is mixing, you want to add your melted butter just like this. This bread recipe is so easy. The hardest part is measuring things out, and that's not even hard. So I misplaced my grater, so I have to use this little thing to grate my cheese, but I'm using sharp cheddar cheese. After the 7 minutes, you're going to add the cheese to the mixture and allow that to mix. Now that this is all mixed up, you want to cover it and put it in the warmest place in your kitchen and allow it to double in size. Once it doubles in size, this is what it will look like. You want to knock it down, all the way down, knock it down, remove it from the bowl, and we're going to just go right down the middle, right down in half. If you have a pastry cutter, use it. I only had a knife. I don't have a pastry cutter, so I use my knife. You want to form it, put it in your pan. We're actually going to allow this to double in size one more time. But before that, I'm going to brush it with butter, sprinkle on some more seasoning, grate some more cheese, allow it to double in size. Then I popped it into a 375-degree oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. Or the internal temperature reaches 190. If you're not comfortable with doing eyesight, the temperature internally should be 190. You want to put it on a rack so it doesn't sweat and get soggy. And this is what it looks like, you guys. It's so delicious. It's soft. It's flavorful. It's cheesy. You might not see the cheese, but you taste the cheese. It was just really good bread, So I hope you guys give this bread recipe a try. If you try it, tag me, let me know what you think, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.